Hello, people. So now onwards, I've decided that I'm going to start speaking about these cute little Instagram pages that I think everybody should follow. So, there is this page called Foodie Prana, you know, uh, and it is run by this cute girl called Gunjan. And in October, I did a small little feature on her, which I featured on my Instagram page. I did a small write up on her, and at that point, she had 85K followers, and now it is April, and now her followers has jumped to 107K. So I mean, what I find remarkable about Gunjan is that when she connected with me, uh, I mean, honestly, yeah, like normally we are used to people having followers in the range of, I don't know, at the most 2K, 3K, 10K is again a huge number. And she had 85K followers, yet she reverted back to me so instantly and so warmly that it's very true. I've come to believe this, that the universe gives us things according to our capacity to handle. So people who are sweet will invariably do well in life because they have that capacity to handle that level of fame. And to have 107K followers on Instagram must be a heady feeling. Yeah, I mean, more than a 1 lakh followers, so really, Gunjan, so this video I thought I'll make it because I feel certain things that you see in everyday life, they deserve to be celebrated, but very few of us actually stop and do that. So now onwards, I plan to do this, that anything that I find truly remarkable, I'm going to make a video of it and upload it, because more people should follow this particular profile. It's called Foodie Prana, and you can find it on Instagram. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.